Welcome to the final episode in this series of In Conversation with Bathshack. Today we are here with Carly from Flipping Belfast. Thank you for joining us today, Carly. Could you please give me a bit of an introduction as to what Flipping Belfast is and what it is you guys do?
Basically, I buy houses that are in desperate need of a bit of TLC and some love. I buy them for myself and I renovate them completely. That could include damp-proof coursing, roofing, knocking down walls, rewire. It could just be the cosmetic. Most of the time it's not. And turn them into what would look like a show home, like a new built show home inside. And then I sell them.
What's your favourite stage when you're flipping a property? Would it be the process or the final?
It's definitely not the process. But I do love the initial looking for the house and viewing the properties, and then I actually like that wee bit of negotiation where you're putting in an offer, or maybe something's come up in the survey and you're trying to negotiate that. I like that part. I like getting the keys, the excitement, all the pictures, and then when you're knee deep in the rubble, I'm like, what have I done, right? But like very quickly you get out of that, and then those last few bits are perfect. Yeah.
Brilliant. If somebody had £10,000 to spend in their own home,
Yes.
where would you recommend that they put that money into?
Clearly going to be kitchens and bathrooms. Like, that's the selling point of the home. If it was me going and buying a house, it would actually be the bathroom, because I think a kitchen is much easier to renovate and do.
Do you think now people are choosing more to renovate than to move?
Yes,
in general?
Yeah. I had a little drive around Stranmillis the other night, and the amount of people renovating their homes. You could see the skips, you could see the scaffolding, you could see the extensions on. My goodness, I couldn't believe that. But it's so expensive to move now. The stamp duty prices, also some people are in a nice area and want to stay in that area, but maybe can't reach the next threshold or size of house there. So it makes sense if you like it and you're happy there.
Got a couple of quick fire round
Go
questions
for
to
it.
ask you. So are you ready?
Yes.
Okay. 3, 2, 1. Favourite room to renovate?
Bedroom, easy peasy.
Walk-in shower or freestanding bath?
For looks, the bath, but for me, walk-in shower.
Black brassware or chrome?
Chrome, 100%. I think it's classic. It won't date. I'm actually putting chrome throughout the whole house.
Tiles or wall panels?
Tiles.
What's one renovation trend that needs to stop now?
Grey.
Grey.
Yeah, we're done.
Thank you so much
Thank
for
you.
joining us today. Really enjoyed that.
Thank
And
you
we
for
got a
having
lot
me.
of advice. So what are the channels that people can find?
The main one would be Instagram, and just Flipping Belfast on Instagram at the minute, or you can go on to my website, which is Flipping Belfast.
Thank you so much for joining us.
Thank you.
Okay.
Thank you.